Hello and welcome to this video guys. In this video I will tell you how to fix lag and how to run games smoothly in PUBG Mobile Lite. This file are created the YouTube channel Gamers Ready, it is the credit. If you also need video to how to use this file, link in the description also. And don't forget to subscribe this channel and click the bell icon and comment if you need any more videos. These updates are awesome. If you don't know, game link in the description. I'll give you link in the description. If you don't know, this is the link downward. I have no PUBG Mobile Lite in this mobile. So I am give you steps how to use this file. If you don't know, I give you steps in description also. Take a screenshot to the steps in description. If you also need video to how to use this file, link in the description also.